So you wanted to check your token usages that you have used so far into Claude AI. Usually, for example, this happens if you are like a newbie beginner and you have like a free section here. So to do this process actually is going to be really easily. There's a hidden cost of a massive context. So tokens are basically building blocks of how LLM processes languages, roughly translated to about 4 characters or 3/4 of a word, because Cloud features some of the latest memory back into the industry. So the token math is like the quick references guide, like in a scannable breakdown tab displays into the screen. So traffic token estimator blueprint from any short sentence, let's say like a short sentence. They have, for example, like a text volume from 10 to 12 words equivalent to 10 tokens, 15 tokens. And a standard page from, I believe, 500 words will be equivalent to, I think, 650 to 700 tokens. This has not been confirmed. And something a little bit more important, for example, like 20 page of text will be from around 13,000 to 15,000 tokens. And speaking about lines of codes, of course, there'll be up to 10 times what you're actually aiming for. So the method number 1, for example, is to visually screen. If you're into the developer using the API, checking the usage is precise, you can lock it into the dashboard as the console back into the internet. So I'm going to just type the word console dot and trap. So we are now into the Cloud console. When you click into any specific request meta block, look right down to the JSON responsive parameters. So ntraffic gives you an exact breakdown under the user's object array. It will list you a precise input tokens and output tokens down directly into the exact digit, allowing you to map out the script efficiently with a perfect cloud chain. So you can even use more elements directly inside there. You have the buy users credit to get started, so you can be watching that information inside there. Or what you can do is to ask directly with the actual, in this case, the Cloud. Let's say how many tokens remaining. Sometimes it answers the question, sometimes it doesn't. But still, if you have like a free version, there's a few limited elements so they won't be having access to the account information to see the remaining tokens. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. In my case, for example, I need to go directly into my billing and usage, or similar depending into my actual plan. So this is just a few methods that I can give you to check out the actual answer between your actual tokens inside the Cloudy. If you have any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this, and hopefully we can all see you next time.